I was scared for a second. I was like, what? What is up, you guys? I hope you all are having a fantastic day today. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the Birchbox, that says yes, the Birchbox subscription box and the Allure Beauty Box. If you guys want to see how these two boxes compare, keep on watching. And while you're watching, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, where we do more unboxings, makeup reviews, and tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Alright, so let's get into the Birchbox. A little bit more though about this. It is a $15 monthly subscription. But right now in August, they are offering a limited time $1 first box. The catch is you have to sign up for a year. But once you do sign up for a year, your box is only $13 a month, so you do save a little bit of money there. I don't know. I just felt like I should tell you guys, my little subscribers out there, that if you were interested in trying this, they are having a sale. So you, like I said, you can get your first box for $1, or they're also offering a free facial kit when you subscribe for a 12-month subscription. Or if you don't want to do the 12-month subscription, this is not sponsored by Birchbox whatsoever. I just use the website. But if you want to try them, maybe not for a year, maybe a half a year, because you know a year is a long commitment. You can try it for 6 months and get a free full-size Sunday Riley CEO cream. And I will have those codes down in the description box, because did I even tell you what was inside here? You get 5 deluxe sample size items and occasionally a full size. Alright, so this is what this month's Birchbox looks like. It's cute. I like it. I like the colors on it. And in here we have our, what is like a tip. Oh, look. Oh, they didn't give us a card. Oh. Awkward. I forgot. I chose, there's only one item in here. I chose this. I chose to skip the actual month of August because I wanted to try out Arrow Oil Cleansing Spray because I wanted to compare it to the One Size Beauty. So stay tuned. We're going to be comparing this and the One Size Beauty makeup spray. But we got a cute little quote. I'll read it for you guys. It says, "Dear self, action also requires rest. Give yourself the permission to do both." What's this one? Let's make finding beauty stuff fun. Hey, Birchbox is 10 years old. Look at that. Anyways, so that's it for Birchbox unboxing. And if you guys don't know, Arrow is Birchbox's own like personal beauty line. They have makeup and skincare, so. But now let's. I completely forgot I did that. So, I'm sorry you guys. I really wanted to do an actual comparison of the two boxes. So this is more like an Allure unboxing. So a little bit more about Allure. It costs $15 as well. But inside here you are promised 5 items, at least 2 full size. So they give you, but your retail value is supposed to be $70 or more. And this one's actually a full box, I promise. And it always comes with a cute little card, and this is, oh, it doesn't say who it is. For some reason, no, that's FabFitFun. Alright. And then inside that little itty bitty magazine, it's got all the prices and everything of the products, so we'll go through that after. Alright, so first in here we have something from Floss. I've tried their lip gloss before, and this is a Brighten Up highlighter. And it's never tested on animals. Good to know. Thank you, Floss. This is our shade, and it looks like it's in the shade Sunlit. I'll give you guys a swatch. Oh, she is, oh. Are you like a cream highlight? Like, dang. Ooh, but you are a duochrome. So it's not gonna really pick it up probably on camera, but it's got a pink shift to it. So it's like a gold and pink shift. I'm excited to have you. Alright, next in here, what? The famous black soap. It's a sea mud deep cleaning bar. Well, who are you from? Anenzo Lazio, New York? That's, I mean, it's nice like packaging. It'll focus, maybe. And it's got like a nice design on the side of like people. Oh, and it's got a shelf life of 12 months, and it's got an aeroplane on it, so it must be safe to travel. That's what I'm going to take that little airplane on the side as. Erno I don't know. But it's imprinted on it with the name. So, and it really is just a black bar of soap. It smells like a cleaner, so that's good. At least it doesn't smell like garbage. Next we have from Sluwashu. It's a first care activating serum. Oh, it's cute! So, it's actually really cute. But it says, this serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine, featuring Gemu Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that soothe, nourishes, and firms for a healthy glow. So after washing your face in the morning and evening, pop 2 to 3 into palms and gently apply with fingertips. Gently wrap the face with hands to help absorption of the product. Alright, so next we have from H2O Plus, but this is a hydrating sensitive gel cream moisturizer. So we got a little sensitive moisturizer. I've never heard of this brand either. I haven't even mentioned that at once, but I haven't heard of this this. But, oh. This is from Pixi, and that's pretty big. This is a rose oil blend. This Luxe oil blend is a rich source of botanical oils and vitamin E, helping to preserve and nourish. I was scared for a second. I was like, what? I was like, why is there 2 different, like when you open it, it was like this. But I like that this is not in this yet because one, you know it is, it's crooked. I like that it's separated because you know it's sealed, and we're not going to open it because we don't need any facial oils or anything open until we use them. So I am excited because I know Pixi, it is a drugstore, but it's a higher end drugstore, so that's pretty, oh geez, how many, I thought there was only one, there's 2 things left in here. So next we have from Wish. It's a botanical primer, skin balancing, it reduces environmental stress. I've tried a few things from this brand before through like FabFitFun. So it looks like we just have a white primer. Ew. Oh. So that went right into my skin. Like, it doesn't have like a tacky feel or anything, so I'm not sure how the makeup's gonna go over it. But that, you smell like chemicals. But it's vegan and, is it vegan? No, I think it was just cruelty free. Yeah, so it's got paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, D&T free. I don't know, petrochemical free, but it smells like chemicals. It's cruelty free and it's Leaping Bunny certified. So, and then last in here we have a, looks like a sheet mask. It's a brightening up, lift up, perfect fit mask. It's got a funky, is she crying? No. But it says, hello, Mama Coma. More and what? Looks and Mel. Well, we have a sheet mask. So that's it for our Allure unboxing. Let's go over some prices because I'm very confused on that sheet mask. But anyways, alright, so this Pixi right here is paid for the box itself because this is $24 and this is full size. If you wanted the full size of this, it is $84. This I don't know. This has to be a full size because it's just like a bar, right? So this also paid for the box like more than 2 times over because this bar right here is $38. Not bad for a $15 subscription box. Well, this has to be pretty much full size too, right? It's got 4 grams in it. I'm gonna say this is a full size and you paid for the box too because you are $20. Alright, and then next we have our moisturizer that I just put all over my hand. Alright, so our moisturizer here, if you wanted the full size of the H2O Hydrating Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer, it is $42. Our Wish Botanical Primer, this is, if you wanted the full size, this would be $44. And then for one little mask, it is $3. So, with the full size products that we have in here, our grand total is, adding up those 4 full size products, our grand total for this box is $85. And we paid $15, so I think Allure, great job. I really enjoyed this I really enjoyed this August Allure Beauty Box. I can't speak too much about the Birchbox because I chose this instead of getting a bunch of little samples. So like I said, stay tuned for the comparison of this and the one size makeup spray eraser stuff. Anyways, let me know down below, do you guys get either one of these boxes? Do you think they're worth the $15? That's going to be it, comparing the Birchbox subscription box versus the Allure Beauty Box. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. But it's not gonna have like a sake, stop. And you get 5 items in each size. Yep. Yeah, this guy right here. My table's glass. We gotta be careful. But let's get into the Birchbox. I keep showing my address, but you know, that's cool. Usage after facial wash. Wow. Usage. So after facial wash, wow, why can't I just say washing your face?